Step into a world of intrigue and discovery with title of the video, where brief overview of the content. In this captivating duration video, you'll embark on a journey filled with highlights or key points of the content, as mention any notable moments or segments. Join us as we delve into, describe the overall tone or atmosphere, accompanied by mention any notable visuals, graphics, or effects. Whether you're mention any specific themes or topics explored, prepare to be enthralled from start to finish. Welcome to title of the video, where every moment is an adventure waiting to unfold. 5. Build consistent connection. Commitment, whether emotional, intellectual, or both, binds us to a person or cause, shaping our decisions and actions. It is the conscious choice to invest time and energy in nurturing relationships or endeavors, fostering growth and success. However, while a healthy commitment empowers us to make informed decisions aligned with our sense of self, an unhealthy commitment can ensnare us, compromising our autonomy. Whether cultivating friendships, collaborating on projects, or fostering romantic connections, commitment forms the bedrock upon which relationships thrive. It enables us to forge consistent connections, dedicating ourselves to the mutual growth and fulfillment of those we hold dear or the pursuits we champion. 4. Commitment increases respect. Respect serves as a cornerstone for the longevity and vitality of any relationship, acting as a linchpin that holds the connection between two individuals together. Without it, the fabric of the bond begins to fray, unraveling the foundation upon which love is built. However, commitment acts as a catalyst for the cultivation of respect, as it embodies a profound appreciation and acknowledgement of one's partner's goals, desires, and inherent worth. Through the dedication and devotion inherent in commitment, individuals demonstrate a willingness to prioritize their partner's needs and aspirations, fostering a deeper and more meaningful connection. This mutual understanding and accommodation lay the groundwork for a relationship characterized by mutual respect, where both parties feel valued, heard, and understood. Consequently, love flourishes in an environment where respect thrives, creating a positive feedback loop that reinforces the bond between partners. In essence, commitment not only deepens love, but also strengthens respect, thereby fortifying the relationship and increasing its resilience over time. 3. Build a foundation of trust. Trust is the bedrock upon which enduring relationships are built, requiring time, commitment, and mutual dedication to cultivate. It serves as the cornerstone of emotional intimacy and security within a partnership, evolving gradually as individuals demonstrate reliability and dependability to one another. As couples invest in the growth and sustenance of their bond, they create a supportive environment where trust can flourish, fostering a deep sense of connection and belonging. This trust extends beyond mere loyalty, providing a safe haven where both partners feel empowered to express themselves authentically and vulnerably. Through shared experiences and mutual support during challenging times, couples solidify their trust in each other, reinforcing their commitment and strengthening the foundation of their relationship. In essence, trust acts as a guiding force, illuminating the path forward and enriching the journey of love and partnership with its unwavering presence and assurance. If you liked this video, please confirm by clicking the like button. 2. Create a substantial foundation for love. Love thrives on the sturdy pillars of trust, devotion, and commitment, forming a robust foundation for enduring affection and courtship. While infatuation may provide fleeting excitement, it's the steadfast commitment to each other that sustains relationships over time. The unwavering dedication of both partners is essential in nurturing a lasting bond, ensuring that love endures beyond the initial stages of courtship. Without commitment, even the most passionate courtship is destined to falter, underscoring the indispensable role it plays in fostering long-term love and connection. 1. The formation of a stable relationship. Commitment serves as the bedrock upon which stable and fulfilling relationships are built. It plays a pivotal role in enhancing love and partnership by fostering trust, reliability, and a sense of security. When individuals commit to each other, they demonstrate a willingness to prioritize their partner's well-being above their own self-interests, laying the groundwork for a deep and meaningful connection. This dedication allows for the cultivation of a profound bond based on mutual respect and understanding. Moreover, commitment enables individuals to weather the inevitable challenges that arise in any relationship, providing a sense of stability and assurance that strengthens the foundation of their love. It is through this steadfast commitment that faith and belief in each other are allowed to flourish, sustaining the relationship through both the highs and lows of life's journey.